Worlds, our debut. What? Hello. Connor, what do you want to do today? What do you want to do? Do you want to build a snowman? Is that what you want to do? Let's build a Connor man. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Or what do you want to do? He's just paying attention to his tiger. You don't know me no more. He has a new friend. There you go. Do you want to build a snowman? That stupid song is stuck in my head. I've never seen the movie. Tony! Say hi, Tony the tiger. It's a white tiger. Mommy's favorite. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, say goodbye, online world. I'm not paying attention to you today. Goodbye! Goodbye! Say goodbye! Bye-bye!